Okay, good afternoon, guys. Let's start the lecture. So, in the previous section, we already put the insight of that, W3 school, right? Isn't it? W3 school is what? W3 school is just a database we have. It's a ready data. If you can check the previous video, then you can understand what is exactly the W3 database we have. Okay. Right now, without wasting time, let's understand one by one query in the deeper. Okay. Before that, I want to discuss about some things related to this. So keep in your mind the SQL keywords are not case sensitive. Okay, select is the same like a select. Means what they want to say. Okay, simply they want to say that if you are putting to the select, okay, this is select. Wait, select, and this is another one. Okay, let me use the caps lock. Okay, this one is another select. Okay, is both are same. It's not a different. So basically, what happened? Our SQL programming language is not a case sensitive. Case sensitive means what? Where the capital and smaller letter is matter. But the all keywords means what? Which one already computer reserved, right? Means like what? Select, for, right? Again, what? The in, between, this kind of keywords already computer know. Okay, this is called the keywords, right? That keyword is if you are writing in the smaller case or if you are writing to the upper case, it doesn't matter. It's like a same. Okay, so keep in your mind these things. What the keep in your mind? The in SQL keywords are not a case sensitive. Okay, select is the same as the select. Okay, in this tutorial we will write all SQL keywords in a uppercase. You can write in the uppercase also, you can write in the smaller case also, but as per the we can understand properly which type of keywords we are using, so that purpose we can use to the only the uppercase. Okay, but if you don't have the habit to the write a uppercase, we can write to the smaller case also, there is no any problem. Okay, after that, over here is what? Semicolon after the SQL statement. Means what happen when we are writing any kind of one query, after the one query, end of the section, we need to use the semicolon, right? Suppose I'm writing over here one, suppose I'm giving example. Suppose you are writing select star from table name and after that semicolon. Semicolon is important. Means where is the semicolon is ended, we can understand this is the one MySQL query. Again, if suppose I have the another somewhere the semicolon, this is my second query. Okay, so there is a chances there is a chances over here we can write a multiple SQL queries, right? And the previous section we saw that also the multiple types of query we are writing in the one position only over here, right? So like that. Now let's go back to the over here again our PPT. Okay, let me go to the PPT. Okay. Now see the some database systems required a semicolon at the end of the each SQL statement. Semicolon is the standard way to separate each SQL statement in the database system. That's allow the more than one SQL statement to be execute in the same call to the server. Now in this tutorial, we will use a semicolon at the end of each SQL statement. Means when I am completing my query, I want to put the end of the section, semicolon is important. If we are not putting semicolon, then it will be giving to you error. Now let's go next up. First SQL statement we are learning, that is what, guys? Select statement. The select statement is used to select a data from the table, from the database, right? The data returning is stored in a result table called as the result set. Right now, guys, we have to the different table. Let me go over here. You can see I'm clicking on over here. Inside the W3 school database, inside we have to the lot of table, categories, customers, employees, order details, orders, products, shippers, and the suppliers. We have to the different tables are present, right? Now, suppose I want to choose the customer as a one table only. You can see inside of the customer, I have the lot of data, right? I am again that closing this. Now, what is the query for that? Select query. Select. Okay. Now see over here. Select. Okay. After that, star and a from. Okay. Let me write over here. From my database name. What is my database? What is my table name? Not database. What is my table? Okay. Before that, don't forget we didn't selected yet our database. So what we can see, we need to go over here. Use after that what? W3 school. Okay, let me write that schools. Okay, it's a schools and a semicolon. Let me first select that word. See, right now my database is not black, right? Means I didn't selected yet. So let me select that first. You can see, is it selected right now? It's a black one. Now after that, we are writing another query that is called what? Select after from star. Okay, from from customers. Okay, before that, check spelling also. Is it you're writing correct or not? See, customers, perfect. Right now I'm selecting this and I'm executing. You can see I can check that what is the table I have inside of the W3 school database. I have the one table. That table name is what? Customers. I open that customer. Let me click over here. Inside you can see customer ID. You can see the customer ID. You can see the customer name. You can see the customer name. So I have the different columns inside of that. Are you getting? So how we can do that? We need to write a query. Select star means what? Star means I want to select the all columns. Are you getting? Okay. And from means where? Where exactly the from? Customer. Are you getting? So this is exactly query. Right now, sir, I don't want to select the whole data, whole table. I want to just select the different, whatever the columns we have. Just remove this star. Okay, and put over there. Suppose I want to check only the customer name. I'm putting over here customer okay, customer name, okay, and after that I want to add another column, use comma. I want to say the city. You can put to the city also. See, city, okay, and if you want to put the country, you can put to the country also. I want only the customer and the city. Now I'm again selecting, and after that I'm again running. You can see only I can see that only the two columns, which one is customer and another one is the city. So this is exactly the way we can use the select query we can use. Let me go back to again over here. You can see, okay, you can see over here, this is our select statement, isn't it? Now let's go to the next. We have to the what? Where cause. Where cause means what? When we want to use the condition, that time we are using where cause. Now see, the where cause is used to filter a record. Okay, filter a record. It is the used to extract only those records that fulfill a specific condition. Okay, now see over here, just we are writing. Suppose I want to check that how many we have to the Mexico City. Okay, or you can choose anything whatever you want, but that purpose query, what we need to write? Select star from customer where is the condition setting? We are using what?Here cause, where the country is equal to what is the country for your name, you can put that. Okay, now see over here, let me remove everything. I don't want anything. Okay, now see again inside, let me remove this also. I don't want to say anything anymore. Again, I'm going over here. Okay, let me close this one also, all stuff. This is table I have. I'm going to write a, where cause. First, before that, we need to write a select statement. Okay, select after star from, okay, from customer is the our database name. Sorry, table name. Let me write over here customer. Okay, customers. Okay, customers we have to the database. Again, we are going to the down and we are writing over here what? Where cause. Are you getting? Where cause I write it. After that, I want to put over here condition. Okay, what is the condition? I want to choose one table. Suppose, sorry, I want to choose one what we can say the column inside of that. I want to choose a what? The city. Okay, or maybe the country. Let me check what is the Mexico is country. Okay, so Mexico is the country. I'm choosing that. I'm going over here and writing country column I want to choose. Okay, and in that country column I want to apply the what? I want to apply what? The where is exactly the countries, which one? Like a Mexico, right? Isn't it? Let me check the spelling. Perfect spelling. You can see. So Mexico. Right now I'm selecting everything and I want to run. You can see only I can check that where is the city is the sorry, where is the country is the what? Mexico. Are you getting? I mean, there is the where cause. Where cause, why we are using? Where cause we are using if suppose I want to put a condition. Done? Okay, after that, there we have to the operators, greater than, equal than, less than. This is the similar like, over there we can saw in the different programming language. It's just repeated. After that, I want to go to the and, or, and not operators. This purpose, I want to just give to the simple, idea. Okay, and means what? And if suppose I have the two conditions, okay, one is suppose number one condition and another is the second condition. Okay, now